Now, again, everything should start sa top management. Kasi, critical yung claims blueprint. Ito, yung sistema, yan ho talaga ang unang, ayun, Remark, thank you. Ayun. So, sila, Remark, ongoing yung masterclass nila sila ni sister. Okay? Thank you very much. So, kailangan, ito talaga ang una nating papatakbuhin. Okay? Yung volume, okay? Kung hindi gumagana ito, useless yung volume. Okay? Yung value, useless yung value kung hindi gumagana ng maayos ito. Kaya kinakailangan, ang una talaga, management, and you fix the claims blueprint and all the things inside it. So, what's next? Granting na naayos nyo na, okay? Ito ngayon yun, yung next na mangyari. So, ito ngayon yung inpatient flow mo, yung yakap. Ito ang hindi naintindihan ng lahat. Akala lang nila yung yakap is wala lang, preventive. Hindi ho. Okay? Yung yakap, ang target ninyo is 20,000 head. 20,000 ang enrollment per doktor. Okay? Ito, Ma'am Vanessa, kaya sinasabi ko dapat may yakap po kayo. You need to enroll 20,000